Hi, this is Easy English Speaking without memorization, and this is the second session for Tell Me the Functions of Your Cell Phone. Today we are going to learn the transitive causative construction. Easy English Speaking is one of the best ways to prepare for OPIC, IELTS speaking, and ETS TOEIC speaking. Well, have you ever heard about the transitive causative? Well, transitive causative has subject, verb, object, and verb or objective phrases. Take a look at this picture. Then there is a student sleeping, and he must be the teacher. The teacher claps, and the student woke up. In this case, because of the teacher make the student, right? The student changed its state, right? He was sleeping, now he wake up. Change of state or change of action, right? He was sleeping and he's now waking up. So the student is the someone who undergoes the change of action or state. So as a result of the teacher's action, the student woke up, right? So the teacher make the students wake up. This is the very basic word order of the transitive causative construction. So the teacher makes me up, or the teacher makes the student up. Student wake up, sorry. The teacher makes the student wake up, right? This is the picture about transitive causative construction. Let's take a look at another example. Well, here is a woman. Let's suppose that she is a part of me, right? Let's just call her as me, right? I was just standing there, I was just sitting down there with some other people listening to a lecture, right? Yes, but here comes the singer, and the singer changed my state from this state to this state, right? So because of the singer, right? In English we do not use a lot of because of. Instead we put the subject. So the singer, right? Because of the singer make. It's like a habit, right? Make who? Who changed the state? Whose state changed it? It's me, right? Me, I was not that much happy, but now I'm very happy. I was, well, nothing, but now I'm happy, right? So this is the transitive causative. Because of somebody, I changed my action or I changed my state, right? This is the transitive causative. So this picture, you can just describe this picture in English like the singer makes me happy. The last one. Let's just call that this bird is your neighbor, okay? Neighbor who lives next to you, right? Well, the neighbor was okay, but because of the noise, because of the bad sound, right? Angry, right? So the neighbor was okay, right? But now the neighbor is very angry. Then because of what? Because of what? Because of the noise, right? The noise. The noise makes the neighbor angry, right? This is the transitive causative construction. This is the end of the tutorial for transitive causative construction. In the following section, you are going to make sentences based upon the video that you just watched before. Apple always makes people wait. Apple always makes people wait. This, this upcoming series of iPhone 11 also makes people wait. This upcoming series of iPhone 11 also makes people wait. This makes your phone the fastest and the most efficient. This makes your phone the fastest and the most efficient.